Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on Tumblr. So what you need to do is open up your app. Once you open up the app, click on this pencil, then after that click on this three dots. Sorry for that. Click on this three dots, then you're going to see schedule here. Click on schedule, click on click on schedule. Then you're going to set the date you're going to use. So I'm going to set it for tomorrow. After that, click on OK. Which date or your time? I'm going to set it for 6 o'clock. Then click on OK. You can see after you have set it, just click on done. Then you're going to write something. You're going to say happy okay weekend. So I'm going to say enjoying your weekend to the fullest. You can see once you are done, click on schedule, and you have scheduled it. You can see you have scheduled the post successfully. So immediately it is that time that you've posted it and the date, it is going to automatically post it to your blogs. It's very simple. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.